So we were able to find the space. It's actually still under construction. I was not expecting it. There's a lot of construction work that's still going on. How's everything going?
Yeah, it's going like really well on the big project that we have. It's good money, and we're doing good work.
What's up, boss fam? It's your boy DJ the Boss, and I am back with another video like we used to, man. We kicking it old school today, man. Y'all see me back in my G-Code uniform. I know this blue on blue is a lot better, but we in here, man. I'm running late. I'm supposed to be headed to a walkthrough. That's all we do, man. We get out, we go on walkthroughs, and we got a couple of more errands to run today. So I just figured I'll take y'all with me, man. Y'all didn't ask for a day in the life video, but you're gonna get one. Y'all gonna see this work. That's the difference between me and these other YouTube channels, man. Y'all like and subscribe to the channel. This is the most helpful channel that you can subscribe to for your cleaning business, because I'm actually running my cleaning business. So I always have. I've been doing it since day one, and it's what's got us to over 14,000 subscribers. We're almost to 15, which I'm pumped about. But yeah, we getting into it today, man. A couple things I wanted to talk about on the way to this walkthrough that I am late for. We won't be extremely late. We'll be fashionably late. But yeah. Don't be late to walkthroughs unless you like, incredibly charismatic like your boy, and you can make up for that. I'm gonna hop on this freeway, man. We gonna chat.
Look, this for all my boss days. Go do your boss days. Loving how you boss, babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursuing them. This for all my boss, babe. Go do your boss, babe.
Boss fam, really quick, you have got to start automating your sales process. I know you love your cleaning business, this is your baby, but you can't do everything. You're trying to run a business here. So automate your sales process so that you can have more time to close deals and grow your cleaning business. That's what you're supposed to be doing. You're the CEO, you're the owner. So you are responsible for growing the business, not doing all those small day-to-day tasks. And if you don't know how to automate your sales process, I have a guide. So go in the link in the description and download the guide. That way you can start automating the sales process and start growing your business and working on your business instead of in it. Love you guys. Keep that boss mentality. Peace. We headed to this walkthrough. It's all the way out in Bellevue, and it's looking like it's on the other side of Bellevue. So it's probably going to be a job that even if they like me and if they like the company and they like the quote, I'm probably still going to turn down and say no. But because they schedule it and I didn't cancel it and look at the map before, I'm still going to go out there and give them, give them a walkthrough, give them pricing and things like that. But it's probably going to be out of the price range, just given the location. But if you are in Washington, if you're one of those cleaning businesses that are out here near me, then hit me up, man. I might be able to hand this one over to you if you're in the Bellevue area. It's a little bit too far away from me. It's probably about 30 minutes away from Mukilteo, which is where my office is. And we generally don't go further than about 20 minutes per area that we service. So this could be for you. You could have it. I don't really, it's not something that, it's not in a location that I service or that I would like to service. So if you want to, come get it. While we're on the way to this quote, figured I'd chat with y'all a bit and let y'all know a little bit about what I mean when I say boss family. The difference between your family and your friends when you make a mistake. When you make a mistake, your family gets mad at you. Your family's upset with you. So but just because you're mad at each other doesn't mean you're not family anymore. You're still there for each other, but it's emotional because you care about these people and you don't want them to be making mistakes in life. And so I feel the same way about you guys. I care about you guys. And so you guys see, it seems like I get angry or I get ticked off with you guys. I do, because I care about you and I want you to succeed. And so I get mad, I get a little upset, I get emotional because I really want the best for you guys. I'm not necessarily mad today, but there is something I kind of want to address, man. Like, in the way some of y'all ask questions, it becomes blaringly obvious that you think that I didn't work. Like, you think I found some type of like magic pill or freaking genie in a bottle that gave me a wish to make this shit happen. Like, and it didn't. I bust my ass. I'm busting, like, I'm still working. Like, you see me working. All I do is work. All I did was work in the beginning. There's no simple solution, easy fix. If you ask me a question, you ask me how to get something done, I'm gonna tell you how to get it done. I'm gonna tell you exactly how to get it done. But guess what? There's gonna be work. If you run from the work, you might as well hide from the money, because it's not coming. And to me, that's like borderline disrespectful. Like, you think I got here and did all of this and built everything around me with no work? You think I did this the easy way? Or like, you just can't fathom a world where I actually put in work? Nah, I do this. I'm really him. And if you want to be that guy, you got to put in your own work. I can tell you where to go. I can tell you what the work look like, but I can't do the work for you. One thing I always forget about Bellevue is that it is gorgeous out here. It is an absolutely beautiful place. All the buildings are really nice. All the buildings are well taken care of. All the spaces and the grounds are always well taken care of, and everywhere, not just in any particular business hub. All of Bellevue is just gorgeous. There's a lot of money out here, so I may actually have to stand up an office in Bellevue to take advantage of some of this, or partner up with somebody who's out here. If anybody's in Bellevue, again, if you're out in the Bellevue area, I could definitely use some subcontractors out here, because we get a lot of requests for work out here, and I come out here, I just don't like it. It's a little too far for me. Really quick, boss family, I have a free proposal template. So if you're not getting calls back after you submit those proposals, or if you feel like your proposals just look bland or they just look like an invoice that says estimate on it, then I have a much better way for you to do it. Download my proposal and link in the description, and you'll be able to close more jobs because you will look more professional. You'll look like you actually care about your business. So go get the proposal template. It's completely free. My gift to you guys. Love you. All right, so we were able to find the space. It's actually still under construction. I was not expecting it. I thought it was a completely done place, but there's a lot of construction work that's still going on, and so I have to, give them some post-construction pricing, as well as their initial clean and their weekly, their morning weekly cleaning. But again, not in an area where I actually want to service. So the quote's going to be astronomically high. So it's probably not going to get accepted, but we'll probably accept a reasonable quote from someone in the area. So if you guys are out in the Bellevue area and you know where this place is, then either reach out to me, I can get you in contact, or you can probably stop by and just do some door-to-door sales, and I'm sure that you can probably snag this account. It should be a decent little starter money maker. So nothing, not extremely exciting, but definitely a good consistent account to have. And you're right in a business area with tons of other businesses that could use your service. So it's a great spot to start a route consolidation sales, sales pitch. So we got some more business today. That's not all we're doing today. We still close the deal. We closed the deal earlier this week, so just go pick up the keys and we'll take a look at that space as well. Let's probably pull up into this new location. You know what I'm saying? New deal, new money. Pick up this key to take some pictures for the app so we can put in the cleaning balls. And get everything set up, man. See how much we can get done on this initial meeting. It's always cool for your client to be able to see you as the owner stop by. So I wasn't the one that closed this account, but I think it always does something extra when your client sees the owner actually stop by and come in to do some of the work. It shows that you actually care about the business, and that you're going to try to do a good job for them, and that really matters. I'm pulling in now, so let's take a look at this space and see if we can get some pictures taken for the Cleaning Boss app for our employees, and also see if we can get a checklist made while we're here, so we knock out two birds with one stone. Now, I know some of you are shocked to see that the new client is a restaurant/bar, especially since I swore off restaurant cleaning from that horrible experience we had back in 2018. Plus, that's just a different type of business. But the owner was adamant that we wouldn't be doing any of the actual restaurant cleaning. And this is exactly why I say you don't need supplies to get started. The owner already stocked the closet with everything she wants us to use, plus paper products for the restrooms. All right, so we did that. Got the keys. Contract signed, everything's ready to go. Take some pictures. Now it's just time to go and make some checklists and add those pictures to the Cleaning Boss. If you don't have the Cleaning Boss app, you should get one. I don't know how you're running your business without something for your employees to be able to see what they need to do in these locations, where these locations are, to be able to tell if your employees actually showed up for work or if they actually did any of the tasks. Cleaning Boss is the answer for that, man. Go mycleaningboss.app, get the app, add it to your home screen. About to hit back to the office, get this client loaded up in Cleaning Boss. The workday's not over. I never stop working, so we got plenty of more stuff to do. We got tons of marketing material to create for Cleaning Boss. We got tons of videos to record for you guys on this channel. I got probably 13 videos lined up for you guys, all extreme value, and some videos that I think will bring on some new Cleaning Boss family members. So we're gonna make this channel a lot bigger. We're gonna start growing. We're gonna try to push for the stars. We're gonna try to get to 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already, man. Help your boy out. We're trying to make this one of the best resources for the cleaning industry on the internet. So support, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Hey, so how things going? How's everything going?
Everything is going really well on the big project that we have with this post-construction. They're already considering us for like other projects. It's good money, and we're doing good work. Is that it was just something I'm thinking like this, but is that something you do? That's something you think that makes sense?
I mean, I think it's an incredible service for your client. I think that's a great benefit to them. But if it's, and I would make sure that you wouldn't have any problems with scale offering something like that, and make sure that you have a way to actually to fulfill on that promise. So as long as you have a way to fulfill on that promise, then I think that's a great thing. I always preach doing things that are unscalable because they do incredible things for your brand. Like if you do something like that and they can call you at any time and you can come by and fix whatever issues, then that's something that's a customer you can ask for a video review and they're going to say amazing things about you because you went the extra step in doing something like that. But on the fulfillment side, you want to make sure that you're not over promising and under delivering. So make sure that if it's something that you say you're going to offer, then actually be able to offer it and have systems and processes in your business and make sure that even if you aren't able to go there or your number one isn't able to go there, but you can always have someone who's available to go there and fulfill on that promise. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes perfect sense.
Yeah. I specialize in coaching and consulting for new and aspiring commercial cleaning business owners just like you.
He helped me get this whole process started.
I talked to that man for less than 30 minutes, okay?
It was a great move for me to make. I ain't have a lot of money or nothing, but he gave me the steps I need to take to do it.
My goal is to equip you with the tools and the knowledge you need to thrive in this competitive industry.
And all I can say is that the value that was given to us in that 1 hour was well worth what we paid for, in my opinion.
DJ's consultation is 100% worth it.
I come up with a custom plan for you and your business.
The information he provided was invaluable, man.
He provided so much value.
We really love how this information was tailored to our specific needs.
Best practices, marketing strategies, and industry secrets, and anything else you need to get ahead.
We know there's a big shift in our business.
I just closed 2 clients.
You're also going to save a lot of money by avoiding costly mistakes by learning from someone who's experienced and who's done exactly what you're trying to do.
I highly recommend DJ The Boss.
We definitely recommend a consultation with DJ The Boss to anybody with the cleaning service.
I definitely would recommend using DJ services.
I appreciate you, DJ The Boss.
Shout out to you, DJ The Boss.
Book a one-on-one session with me and we can help get your business to the next level. So made it back to the office, finally. You guys see I changed things around a little bit. I don't know if you could tell, but my desk is now on the other side of the room. I'm trying to turn this space into some type of permanent podcast situation, but I can't figure it out. I don't have like an eye for interior design, so really need some help with that. If you guys have seen the space, got some ideas, man, send me an email because I need some help with this. But really cool thing that I noticed about today and this entrepreneur space is a lot of the advice that you get talks about in order to increase your personal finance, or you have to increase your surroundings, the people that you're associating yourself with. They say your income is usually the average of your 10 closest people, or the 10 people you spend the most time with. Your income is going to be an average of all of your incomes together. So it's in your best interest to associate with people who are doing better than you. And one of the easiest ways that I've realized to do that is being in business, man. Especially in B2B business, commercial cleaning, you're only doing business with other business owners. Like the first guy I met at the early childcare place, I think it was like a Playtorium indoor playground or whatever it was that was being built. That guy, this is his first business, this is his first shop, his first place. He's excited to get started. He's got some money to put behind it, and he wants things to go well. So really cool connection to make, really cool connections to have. This other person is a husband and wife team. The husband owns a bunch of bars and restaurants. She's now kind of getting into the space with her first one, and that's her first one. And so it's really cool. I was able to meet the husband today for the first time. I met the wife previously at some other point during the negotiations before the deal got closed, but one of the employees closed the deal, and I was able to go back there and actually meet both of them today, which was really cool. That's incredible. Like, just because you're in business, and even if you don't close these deals, you're still meeting these people and you're still making these connections, hopefully, if you're actually being a human when you're going on these walkthroughs. But these are all incredible connections to have around your town, like the owners of restaurants and bars and play places for kids and all types of stuff, man. That stuff you never know when you're gonna need somebody. You never know when you're gonna, either be able to bring them extra value or cash in on that, that networking that you're building doing this business. So, is that somebody in my back door? What the heck? Jeff, we got a package. Wonder what this is. Oh, it's just a C-stand. Cool. Alright, I did order a C-stand. I forgot about that. But dope, I love getting packages. It's like Christmas. Pretty much, well, half my day. Now that I'm back at the office, we're going to do some admin stuff. Reach out to some students who have some questions and see if we can provide any extra value and help some people get to the next level in their business. And then I'm going to get started on making some of this marketing material for the Cleaning Boss app. Again, go get the Cleaning Boss app, mycleaningboss.app. And yeah, just gonna keep working, man. Try to get some videos done. Yeah, see where the day takes us. It's life of a CEO, that's what we do. I love y'all, man. Keep that boss mentality. Peace.